Hey there, it's Des with Metro by T-Mobile, and today we're checking out the easy-to-use Schok Flip. It's a flip phone with a large display and a large keypad, camera with a flash, and a great battery. Best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide network. Let's check it out. The Schok Flip has an impressive 3.2-inch QVGA display. Viewing the screen and typing on that large keypad make this flip phone easy to use, even at night. The Schok Flip comes equipped with a 2000 mAh battery with a Type-C charging connector. And guess what? The 5-watt power adapter comes included in the box. Say cheese! The Flip comes complete with a 5-megapixel camera, and yes, it does have a flash. You can even take selfies. Check it out. The Schok Flip comes with 8 gigs of onboard storage and has a micro SD card slot that lets you add up to an additional 256 gigs more. Inside the box, you've got the new Schok Flip, quick start guide, USB-C charging cable, and the charging adapter. The new Schok Flip, a flip phone with a large display and a large keypad, camera with a flash, and a great battery. Best of all, it rocks T-Mobile's nationwide network. You can check out the new Schok Flip at your favorite Metro by T-Mobile store and online at metrobytmobile.com. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for another great video coming up next.